is Modet, and today I'm going to introduce Power Up. So, Power Up is a company that makes motors for your paper planes. And these motors can fit onto lots of planes. And this is Power Up 2.0. 3.0 and 4.0 are smartphone controlled, so they will not look like that, like this. But basically the same thing, it'll be the same thing. A motor, and then if you're using Power Up 3.0 or 4.0, I don't really know if the plane I'm going to teach you how to fold will actually fly with the Power Up 3.0 and 4.0, because I never really tried it because I don't have them. So if you have 3.0 and 4.0, can you please comment on this video and tell me if it works with Power Up 3.0 and 4.0, and then I'll edit the video's title according to that. And it's very simple to use it. So first I'm going to teach you how to fold this plane. I designed this plane and it works really well with Power Up. So that's the reason I'm going to teach you how to fold it. And all you need is a sheet of paper and tape. And tape is just going to help the Power Up module just stay on your plane. So what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half lengthwise. And now you're going to take, so this is going to be your folded edge, and you're going to take this edge to your folded edge. And do the same thing on the other side and match it up. Now you're going to open it up, and now you're going to take this corner and make sure this is just like vertical to the center crease. It should be 90 degrees, and then you can crease it. And now it also should line on the side. And to match it up on the other side, you're just going to put your fingernail right there, and then pull this up till there, and then just land it on the edge, and that will match it up. And now you're going to take this edge to that edge. First you're going to take this edge to this edge. And make sure this doesn't move. And if it does move, you can just do this. You can just do this. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. And now since we know that trick, you don't really have to worry about controlling that layer. Unfold this, and then just make sure it lines up with this crease. And now you're going to tuck them under like this, and then this. And now you're going to put it down like this. keep it like this, and you're going to fold this down. And now you're going to fold it down and then fold on this edge. Free and fold along this edge. And make sure you make a crease along the center crease. And then make sure you make a crease on this edge. And now you're going to take this corner to that corner, and then unfold that and unfold everything. And now you're going to fold this, and now you're going to reverse that crease. And now you're going to use that existing creases and just like pull these layers out on the existing creases, and then you'll get something like this. And now you want to flip it over, and you want to reverse this crease. And after you reverse the creases on both sides, you want to squash fold this right here. And also you want these triangles that make it a square to be out. And then you want to flip it over and fold them along this edge. And now you want to take this edge to that edge. Actually, you don't have to. Don't do that. Don't do that step. And now you want to fold, and now you want to flip it over and fold it like this. And now you want to start about right there, and then just, this is more of a dart design, so you want to make a wing crease about this angle right here. So about 1.5 inches right here. And whether you got that perfectly correct or not, you're going to match up. Unfold it, and now you have a finished print. And now I'm going to tell you how to attach the module. So you're going to take your module, it doesn't matter which one, and you see these little clips right here. You want to just and you have this thing right here. You want to put that in the middle, flip it over, make sure your plane's closed, and make sure your plane's closed, and you just want to like slide one of them up, just one of them, and then take it out, and then just like do the same thing on the other side, just like rotate it, and then just put one of them in. And what that will do is it will just make it looser with a brand new module to help it go in one shot. And now after you do it, you just want to put it in one side and then also the other side, like this. And you want to put it, and that might take some time to do it. And then after you do it, it'll be loose. And now you have a finished plane. And there are just a few more things to do. First, you want to take your tape . Oh, and by the way, if you you put two tape at the back, like 2 pieces of tape at the back, then what you'll want to do is you'll want to do the optional step. Take this edge to that edge, and then tuck it under. If you put 2 pieces of tape right here at the back. So you're just going to take 1 piece of tape, and then just close the module, and then at the very back of the plane you're going to put the tape. And that will just lock the plane together at the back, and also make sure you don't lose your module in flight. And that step is completely optional, but it's good to do it. And try to make it even on both sides. And I didn't, so I'm just gonna try that again. And now you have a finished plane. And now because of these modules, these modules are heavy, so you'll need to put an up elevator. So you can just put an up elevator like this. So like you're just gonna curl it from that point to this point. Curl it and do the same thing on the other side. And now this plane does not need that much of an up elevator. So you just need to put a very slight one, and that should be good. Now, if you want to change the angle of your wings with this plane, it's not that simple. If you just put it like this, as you can see, it'll just like kind of crumple your holding thing. So what you do is you just like, you'll have to take off the tape. What you'll do is you'll have to take out the module, and then you can adjust the wing angles. And also, if you do that optional step, then these things will be locked. So that'll be better. So as soon as you change your angle, you can just put the module back in, and then you're good to go. And now since you're good to go, you just have finished your first power-up plane. And you can throw this plane back without the power-up module. It won't fly really far, so that's the thing. I did try it. It didn't fly really far. It just flew like 15 feet or something like that. So you won't really get very good like a long distance. And also this plane flies really well with the power-up module. And bye, thank you for watching. Hope it flies well for you.